Mixing Bowl Eatery, Curse of the Headcase Manager. The Mixing Bowl Eatery, Curse of the Headcase Manager. La Parra de Burriana, the food looks like it tastes. La Parra de Burriana, the food looks like it tastes. Fenwick Arms, filling potholes with gravy. UK Series 4, Episode 2, 2006. La Galleria 33, a succession of problems. Sushi-Ko, sushi pizza. Sushi-Ko, sushi pizza. Pantaleone's, the Greasiest pizza. Pantaleone's, the Greasiest pizza. Peter's, Guidos picking fights. Lela's, why we don't have hot refrigerators. Season 1, Episode 8, 2007. The Black Pearl, Extreme Argumentation. Season 2, Episode 4, 2008. McCool's Rotten Meat and a Thuggish Chef. Season 1, Episode 7, 2007. Dino's Italian Restaurant, the Delusional Owner. Dino's Italian Restaurant, the Delusional Owner. Chappie's the Angriest Chef. Chappie's the Angriest Chef. Seascape, a kitchen caked in filth. Seascape, a kitchen caked in filth. Burger Kitchen, run by a thieving conspiracy theorist. Spanish Pavilion, dead, reeking lobsters. Season 4, Episode 12011. Fiesta Sunrise, green, slimy chicken. Fiesta Sunrise, green, slimy chicken. Casa Roma, in which Gordon throws up twice. Casa Roma, in which Gordon throws up twice. Dylan's serving rotten, rat-dropping covered food. Dylan's serving rotten, rat-dropping covered food. Amy's Baking Company, run by 2 lunatics.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.